Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Proton Wallet. Everything you need to know to decide if it's right for you. So let's get started. First things first, what is Proton Wallet? Proton Wallet is a non-custodial Bitcoin wallet created by the team behind Proton Mail and Proton VPN, both famous for their privacy-first approach. With Proton Wallet, your private keys never leave your device, giving you complete control over your Bitcoin. One of its coolest features, you can send Bitcoin using just an email address, making crypto transfers as easy as sending a message. So, what are the pros? First is you can control your keys entirely. Proton can't touch your funds. Also, it simplifies sending crypto, perfect for beginners. And then it has a strong encryption framework, builds trust for privacy conscious users. Now for the cons, we have no support for altcoins or Lightning Network yet. Also, integrated vendors like RAMP sometimes fail or stall transactions, and particularly on iOS, which can affect stability and features. And also, experienced users may miss custom nodes, coin join, or manual transaction control. But who is it for, really? Proton Wallet is ideal for beginners who want a simple, private, and secure way to store and send Bitcoin. It's especially appealing if you already trust Proton's ecosystem. However, if you're looking for multi-coin support or advanced control, wallets like Blue Wallet, Electrum, or Moon might suit you better. So Proton Wallet is reliable, privacy-focused, and beginner-friendly, but its limited scope makes it more of a starter wallet than a long-term solution for power users. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!